Minimize redundant words such as the word nice. I'm also guilty of this. Are you too? Diba? Nice. How was the meeting? It was nice. It's such a safe answer. It doesn't tell me much about what happened in the meeting. Right? So, nice report. You can say insightful report. Insightful because I didn't expect that these were the things that I learned from the customers by reading the scripts of the focus group discussion. Right? Comprehensive report. The only request was to cover A and B, but gosh, they added C and D. It was so comprehensive. Or concise report. Most reports are 50 pages, but this one summarized it in only 5, and yet the data is still complete. Okay? Nice colleagues. Give me other words for this. Let's say you were sent to another country, and they were very welcoming of you. They helped you throughout the days that you had to move from one place to another. I'll use reliable, hospitable, helpful. More specific, contextualize it or dimensionalize it. Okay? Another one, nice meeting. Ayan. Productive meeting, collaborative, energetic, decisive meeting. Decisive meeting, meaning after that meeting, that's it. Kasi may mga meetings na after the meeting, may isa pang meeting to make the decision of the meeting. Right? A lot of them happen like that. Right? So you see, do we appreciate